Thanks. 750? Yeah. Yeah, it's fun.
Yeah, I can see you buzzing around everywhere, dude.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
A lot of shit, huh? Oh man. Take care. Let's get this guy some food.
A few moments later.
Hey, buddy.
Here you go, man.
Oh, you never do it.
No worries, man. Here you go. Have a good Christmas, all right?
Hey, yeah, take it easy on that bike.
Yeah, wave to me next time you see me.
I waved to you, dude.
All right, take care.
Be careful out there, it's slick, man.
Yeah.
You don't have rain gear?
I have a leather jacket, but I don't really mind it, to be honest. Like, it's not pouring too bad, you know?
I've used rain gear. They're cheap from like Walmart. They'll fit over your clothes.
Yeah.
And they pack up tight and push. You really don't have a lot of room, but
Yeah, I'm just going to Walmart and back anyways. I wish I had I used to have winter tires. I don't have them on right now, so.
yeah, these tires are the worst for what you're in right now.
Yeah, so I'm just.
Got a Cowie 750 triple 1973.
Yeah.
And it was a fast bike in Fresno. Now this bike would light it up.
Yeah.
But at that time, that two-stroke bike.
Yeah. I've seen those things on YouTube. They're no joke. There's no steering, but if you want to go straight line speed, it's ridiculous.
This bike's got Denko killers. It's got everything on it, man.
Yeah.
It's all,
That's tight.
I'm so happy to get it. I've been working on it, and now it's almost, the build's almost done.
Right on, dude.
Spectacular.
Right on. That's cool.
Hey,
Yeah. All right. Take care, man. Thanks.
cap is out. Do you want me to put it back in?
Allô? Oh. Tu veux-tu de l'aide à le pousser? Ok, mais là c'est une neutre, on va la pousser ensemble. Laisse-moi juste, gars, je vais aller porter ma moto là-bas, là,
Okay.
puis on va aller te pousser sur l'accotement.
Okay.
C'est bon? I'm gonna try and help this guy to relieve some of the traffic. Est-ce une neutre?
Hein?
Est-ce... comme bloque le trafic en même temps. Fait que va de ce côté-là, puis fais signe aux gens d'arrêter. C'est bon? Oh boy, this is heavy as fuck. All right, we got this. There. Park. Mission accomplished. It just clicks. I don't know where the starter is.
La caisse là, je l'ai acheté, ça fait pas des semaines.
Oh non! Non, non, j'en doute pas, ça doit vraiment acheter ton démarreur. Ton démarreur, il tourne même pas. Ça arrive souvent?
Oui, boum, ça fait ça.
Ouais, ouais, ça c'est normal. Allô? Il a juste besoin de se faire dépanner.
Hein?
Fait que c'est bon, je te laisse. Écoute, je te souhaite une bonne soirée.
Ok, merci.
I guess I sort of helped on that one.
You good? What's going on?
I'm really afraid of my boyfriend. He's kicking things and threatening to burn my bag.
Do you want me to take you somewhere? Alright. Is he driving? Where's the car? Alright, come on. Okay. Where do you live?
I live in Tennessee.
Tennessee. Alright, I'll take you into town.
Yeah, I just need a towel or something.
Alright, here, put this on.
You had your wallet with you?
No, it's in my bag. My family lives in DC, so they're only 2 hours away. I'm so sorry.
No, it's fine. Here. You put this on, I'll take you into town.
I'm just gonna turn it off.
Here, I'll hold that. Give her your jacket.
Huh?
Give her your jacket. She doesn't recognize
Well, we're not going that way. We will. Well, put that on.
He's walking on the platform.
I know, he was trying to call me to get me to go back, and when I said I was too scared, he was like, I'm just gonna burn your fucking bag.
It's fine. Put that on. Is it big enough? Alright, go ahead. I don't have glasses, so you'll be fine. Good, you get the helmet all the way on?
Yeah, it's on.
No, you gotta put it all the way on. It goes over your face. Good?
Yeah.
Put your hand down around my waist. Around my waist.
Sorry.
Have you been on a bike before?
No.
No, okay. I won't scare you. Scoot back a tad. Is there foot bags back there? See the foot bags?
Yeah.
Put your feet right in there. Go back more. Can you put her feet on the bike? Good? Alright, let's keep it going. Love that way.